Common mistakes to avoid when building no-code AI agents. No-code AI agents make it possible for almost anyone to create powerful automation systems without programming skills. However, beginners often make several common mistakes that can lead to poor performance, frustrated users, and unreliable results. If you are creating no-code AI agents using platforms such as Zapier, Make, N8N, avoid prompts such as "help the customer." Instead, write detailed instructions. You are a customer support assistant for an online bookstore. Answer questions about orders, shipping, and returns in a friendly and professional manner. If you do not know the answer, escalate the issue to a human agent. Clear instructions lead to more consistent outputs. 4. Failing to test edge cases. Students often test only ideal situations. For example, what often process sensitive information. Students should protect API keys, avoid exposing confidential information, comply with privacy regulations, limit access permissions, store only necessary data. Security should be considered from the beginning, not added later. 8. Not monitoring performance. An agent that works today may fail tomorrow due to software updates, API changes, or changing user